This is how I tell the gender of a budgie. It's based on the colour of their nose, so it'll be brown for a female and bluey purple for a male. And it takes about 6 months for the nose colour to change from when they're born. This one looks like a male, but it could be female.
How old is it?
3 months. And the other one is...
What's the other one?
I don't know, but it looks male. It looks like female to me, but it's got blue nose at the moment.
They both got same colour nose.
What if they're both male?
And no babies then. What about you? What are you? This one's got a bluer nose. Let's have a look at that one again. This one's got a blue and...
Look at that!
Look it flying. Look, they're both together now.
Oh, together! I followed it!
Hi there.
Yes?
Where are the budgies?
There.
What do you mean, duh?
There.
Somewhere here.
There.
Can you see the budgies? Let's see if we can hear them.
I can see one. I saw the green.
Oh, there they are.
The blue one. Hello.
There they are.
Found green one.
Budgies having fun outdoors. Benefits of clipped wings. So keep eye out for cats. Have a budgie snack. Yeah. It's a hand that feeds you. Come on. Come on, Green. All aboard. Oh, you're eating the grass. Yeah. But you having fun? Yeah. Climbing frame. Come on. Let's see if the green one goes to the blue one. You should be able to see it. That's better lighting. Ooh, it's flown. See? Even with clipped wings they can fly. Having fun?